beautiful people, I'm Hui Ping from Inakit. Welcome to my channel. Before we start this tutorial, here's a quick introduction to our channel. You'll find a variety of craft tutorials here, and we also offer craft material kits ready to purchase and make it easy for you to get started. Do check the link below for more details. Now without further ado, grab your kit and let's dive into today's tutorial.
Now, we are going to wrap the pipe cleaners around the headband. Take a black pipe cleaner and fold about a thumb's length at the end to cover the bottom, then start wrapping it around the headband. You'll need about 4 black pipe cleaners for this. Next, take 3 more black pipe cleaners to create the tail. First, fold the end as a knot. Then braid the pipe cleaners together. Twist the tail into an S shape . And secure it with a small piece of pipe cleaner. Now, for the cat's head, take a black pipe cleaner and make a circle frame. Fold and tie a knot at the bottom. Then, take another black pipe cleaner to make the cat's ears. Fold the pipe cleaner near the circle to secure it. Then shape it into a triangle for one ear. Twist the pipe cleaner to secure and form the second ear in the same way. the remaining pipe cleaner to fill in the ears by wrapping around and connect a new pipe cleaner as needed. Once the ears are done, wrap the head of the cat in the same way. If the pipe cleaner is too short, fold and hook another one to extend it. Use a small piece of pipe cleaner to go through the bottom of the cat's face and attach it to the headband. Now, take a white pipe cleaner to make the eyes. Wrap it into 3 loops, inserting the pipe cleaner through the loops for extra security. The two eyes should be the same size. Finally, cut a small black pipe cleaner to make the pupils and glue them in place using hot glue. And it's done.